Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a quick recipe. Generally, snacks means oily food, deep fried and lots of spices. Well, this is not all-time scenario. Diwali is also up and snacks of many varieties is must. With this, eating too much oily is also not a good option. So today we are going to make no fry chivda. Chivda actually means a snacks mix, but here the twist is no fry chivda, which makes it unique. This is so easy to make and have a delightful flavor. As it is no fry, it's a healthier one. It gets prepared in very less time. This snacks, which is not too spicy, is going to be loved by kids too. So let's begin. First, I have taken 6 cups of poha or flattened rice. This is the thin flattened rice, not the thick one. It is necessary to opt the thin poha only. Now add it into the pan and dry roast it until this flattened rice turn crispy. We will be keeping the flames low. Dry roast the poha on low flame. This is the reason why we use thin pepper like poha only, as they roast faster and become crispy easily. Keep stirring continuously. After 5 minutes, you can see the flattened rice have shrinked and also become opaque. Now transfer it. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Into this add half cup of peanuts. Roast it up to 60% on low flame until the peanuts turn crunchy and their color changes to brown in color. Peanuts take time to get roasted, so we add it first. The peanuts have roasted. Into this add 10 to 12 slitted almonds, 10 to 12 cashew nuts and 1/4 cup of roasted chana dal or futani. We will roast them until the color changes. Stir continuously so that nothing burns. I have listed down all the ingredients in the description box below. You can refer it. The almonds have become crunchy and the cashews have turned golden in color. Next add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed, 2 green chilies and 1/4 cup thin sliced of dried coconut. Stir continuously and roast this all again. Make sure no nuts burn or over roast and turn bitter. I have shared many such easy Diwali recipes. You can visit the playlist which I have shared in the description box below. All of these have roasted correctly. All our nuts have got a crunch and golden color. Next add some curry leaves and 3 tablespoons of raisins. As the curry leaves and raisins do not take much time, we add them at the end. The curry leaves give a fresh flavor to the chivda and raisins add a wonderful taste to the chivda. This chivda is so crispy and best for all time snacks. These are ready. All the ingredients have roasted thoroughly. Now add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of dry mango powder or amchur powder, and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Combine all this well and evenly. This chivda is healthy too, with so many crunchy nuts in all bites. All this have mixed well. Now let's add the roasted flattened rice. Now combine all this evenly. Be gentle or else all this will crumble. You can see it is so easy to prepare this chivda and instant too. All this have mixed well. Turn off the flame now. Our instant no fry chivda is ready. You can store it for 20 days in an airtight container. Our Diwali special chivda is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Instant no fry chivda is offered and ready. Do try it on Diwali or Govardhan Puja. If you like Boga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Boga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.